Alright, so just awaiting the start of the Class 3 girls 4x100 meter relay. Trying to find out what the issue might have been. The official is going across, and he's going across to lane 8, is it? And so she gets a warning, the yellow card. That's for Montalvernia.
Very good decision
for Western Jamaica. Of course, Montalvernia, the Western champions.
On your marks.
Securing their first ever Western Championship title. That's Fern Court on screen there. They'll be running from lane 4, boasting Rihanna Scott in their quartet. So once again, Homewood 1, Immaculate 2, St. Jago 3, Fern Court 4, Edwin Allen 5, Alpha 6, Hydel 7, Montalvernia in lane 8. Sent off, second time of asking a clean break. Montalvernia out quickly, so too Alpha. Alpha already catching up on Hydel and going by Hydel. It's Alpha who are leading by way of a stagger. Montalvernia still traveling well, so too Hydel. But look at Alpha go, and here comes Edwin Allen as well, down that back stretch with Godfrey. It's Alpha. Montalvernia still traveling well. Edwin Allen goes hunting now. Alpha still right there. These two were expected to battle it out, and they're doing so. Edwin Allen from Alpha. It's Edwin Allen, the season leaders. Here comes Alpha. They are closing on Edwin Allen. Alpha goes by Edwin Allen. Alpha will take it with Azaria Harris and anchor from Edwin Allen. What a run from her on this anchor leg. What an athlete. Azaria Harris. Was there any doubt with her on anchor? So 45.59 the official time for Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha in winning the Class 3 girls 4x100 meter relay. And they are jubilant, happy. About right to be, because finally getting
very fast time
yes.
coming in by Alpha. 45.59 it is. The leader leg runner did all the running.
Yes, Edwin Allen put together a super team. Niquesha Brown on lead leg hands over to the sprint hurdle champion Tashana Godfrey. Edwin Allen leading at this point, running a powerful backstretch for them. Godfrey of Edwin Allen Alpha on her outside, running well here, but it is Edwin Allen who is leading at this point, and this is the 100 meter champion, so they're fully stacked. Daniela Clark for Edwin Allen, and this is the third leg. They go for the final exchange, and Alpha right there with Edwin Allen. Azaria Harris, bronze in the hurdles, bronze in the 100 meters, silver in the hurdles, and now gold in the 4x100 meter, leads our team Alpha Academy to the gold medal.
So Daniel, coach, as you watch the replay, the exchanges for Edwin Allen was not that smooth, but coach went powerful then.
Yeah. Stacked his team earlier. Yeah.
But Azari Harris with a powerful anchor did it in a fantastic time of 45, what was it, 45.69?
I'm going to be telling you the final placing shortly. I think it's 45.59 for Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha.
Great win.
Yes, winning in
corporate area schools are doing fantastic.
Got the better strategy in the end there, Alpha. As, they didn't front load, but with Harris on anchor. Bronze medalist on the 100 meters.